Hi everybody, this is Beverly Traders from Los Angeles. Today we're going to talk about one of the patterns called double bottom, and it happened on last week Monday on 14th of August. So let's talk about it. And this is the double bottom is one of the very popular patterns in day trader or day trading. Anyway, so let's talk about it. This has happened. I'm using on-demand TD that I can rewind and fast forward, and I can take a also trade with the share amount of shares I want. It's like practice account, but you can rewind it as you could forward it, and you could buy it, you could sell it, whatever you want. It's very sometimes it's very lagging, but sometimes it's very easy to play around. So I always use this one to see what I have to learn from the pattern. So today we talk about this double bottom. It happened exactly. My timing will be around 7 o'clock in the morning, and New York time will be 10 o'clock in the morning. Anyway, this has happened. This is SPY, this is Tesla. In the morning time, it went up and started to go down and make a beautiful support line here. With the support line, I always put a line in here at the support, and I put a green line, is green trend line, and I make it is green, and I make it more is like a fat one, so I can see that one. This is my support line. Anyway, so what happened, our job is to buy, see if it is touching the support line, then we're going to buy. Same with this Tesla also, is if is support line touching, and we're going to buy. We're not going to chase that one. You see that one, none of them came in here except this candle, doji candle. You can make some money in here. It's almost look like double bottom, but thing is you see that it came down. So I didn't take chance, but some day trader will take a chance in here to make money. That is like almost 75 cents. You could make money here, buying in here and selling in here somewhere, and you see the retest resistance line again and again and again, but it came down. The reason didn't want to go up, this is gap down day. How do you know gap down day? Previous day close. If whenever is below previous day close, is always gap down. Look at this, it's coming down from the morning. Anyway, look at this, it touched my, look at that, it touched my support line. Okay, and it touch, I'm going to see if it is touching my support line in Tesla also, but I'm not chasing it. Okay, I'm not going to chase that on. I'm going to see that is properly and give a strength, also showing a strength here. See the doji in the middle, somewhere. If I see is, one more red candle coming, that from there is green candle, I'll buy it. If I don't see all this coming, it will come down more because the day was supposed to be red, but we'll see what happens. Same thing in here also, is supposed to touch my support line, but is not touching yet. But if it touch, I'll buy it. Here you go, second candle came red. That's not good, but we're gonna watch it what happened. We're gonna buy 100 shares. That means our goal is to make 100. If it is goes to $3 or $4 up, 300 400 their profit or something. So this is the good rate came down, so it wants to come down, so make it a little bit longer, this one. Okay, look at this what happened. Now look at this, now doji informing here, also doji informing. Look at that, this also showing hey, I have a strength, and this one also now lagging back again. This is already showing strength. We could take a trade in here. I will buy that one, and if you see it's here coming red. Let me check one more time if it is really wants to grow up. Yeah, it's showing its strength. Okay, let's buy and put stop loss around here somewhere. 430, 431. They gave me 35. That will be almost 50 cents down. So we're gonna be 430, 431. Here we go, and we can push the stop loss. But it's better to put stop loss around in here somewhere. $1 stop loss is Tesla is very common, because when it goes up, it goes to $4, $5, $6, $7 or something here. So SPY is showing his strength. Look at that, what happening in here is red, it pushing up. So one doji, two doji, third one coming. The fourth one, we're going to click and put stop loss in here. You could do also single bracket. It will do automatically to stop loss, but you're going to do single. Here you go. We're going to buy this one, and we're buying point is 44469, almost 70. We're going to put our stop loss 440. So 440 is here. We're going to put stop loss around here. It's a little bit less than here, below Bollinger Band. I always skip below Bollinger Band because of, you see all those patterns, That's why I use Bollinger Band. All this pattern is uh, touching the Bollinger Band. Look at it, touching the Bollinger Band area. That's a good beauty about the Bollinger. If you can see which way the stock going. There's a support and resistance line also. So it's very, 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 very important. So look at that. Now on demand, I could do, instead of waiting for 5, 6, 7, 8 minutes, I could fast forward. So is my timing almost 7? Your time is almost 10. New York, let's do until 11 o'clock. You see what happened. Look, this is 11 o'clock, 11:01 New York time, and my timing is here 8:01. So look at how much it went up. Look at that. SPY went up almost $1, $2, $3, 75, 60, and here you go. Look at this. What happening with Tesla? It went up 234, almost 234 my buying, but 235 that one. Okay, it went to 240. It went to $4.50. Look at that. We spent only 100. We bought 100 share. We made $450. Almost $500. Is buying regular stock is very expensive because you have to pay to $24,000 almost to buy, and here also you have to buy for $44,000 to buy SPY. But mostly all the people buy an option. Buying option. Think about that. If you're buying a good delta, a good commission price, so it will go more. You'll make this kind of money. Just spending like $100 or something. Also in here also is spending, is $1 stock. You will make with spending $100 or $200, $300, you will make only $200, $300, like 100% profit. So that's all, guys. We learn. We always take a chance. We always take a chance with the double bottom. Don't rush. Wait and see confirmation. Put stop loss, a very tight stop loss, so if it goes down, you don't lose money. But never miss that. It always works out. So that's all. Thank you. See you soon.